Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change a headlamp light bulb from a Touareg 7P. All you're going to need is a set of Torx keys. First thing we're going to do is obviously pop the hood. Right after we pop the hood, we're going to start with the 4 Torx screws that are on the grill. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we pull the grill hard. Then we're going to find another 4 screws at the bottom of that grill. Those are the ones that are holding the bumper, or the main 4 ones that are holding the top part of the bumper. Then we have the bottom ones, bottom of the bumper. Once you screw that one, you're going to find another 2 under that trim. The top one is pretty difficult to get out, especially because I was using an L-shaped torque tool. It'd be easier if you had one of these electric screwdrivers with a flexible head. Unfortunately, I'm not at home right now, so I don't have my screwdriver. Then you just pop out the bumper as shown. I tried to only do one side because I was only changing one headlamp, but it was impossible. These are the 2 main screws that hold the headlight, and those are hard to get without pulling the whole bumper out, so you have to do the other side as well. Once the other side is loose, the bumper will fall, so I had to put a wooden stool to hold it. Then I just focused on those main screws on the headlamp that I just showed previously. Those are pretty difficult to get out because they have a rubber sort of mechanism. Once it's out, you unscrew the top 2 screws on the back part of the headlamp, and you'll find the bulb. Remember not to touch the bulb with your hand because the grease will make it burn. You can touch the back part but not the glass part. Well, that's about it. The test before assembly, I didn't show it on screen, but I already knew that it was working. And all you have to do is go backwards, start putting those 2 main screws on the headlamp. That's where I would prefer having an electric screwdriver because it would make it so much easier. This is a difficult part with a little L-shaped tool that barely fits in there. You have to wiggle it around, make sure that it's well aligned, otherwise you're going to have some weird illumination. This entire part, I'm just working those 2 screws in the front. There is a 3rd screw on the top of the lamp, so that one's easy. It's only 3 screws for that lamp. Alright, everything's back in place. I'm just putting the bumper together, putting all the screws back in place, and that's about it. top 4 screws, and then the top 4 on the grill. That's it, guys. I find it kind of difficult for just changing a light bulb compared to Japanese vehicles, but you know, you can't get everything properly or perfect. These are very good cars, and I guess the guy who designed that headlamp had his brain somewhere that day.
Tomorrow, or just the end of time.